table?
First of all, I think aspartame is element number 1 in the periodic table. But if I'm not mistaken, it was Dmitri von Schneckschenhausen.
Mr. Element.
I don't know.
Do you have a guess?
Do I have a guess? I would say it's an Academy of Sciences in Europe somewhere.
Crick and Crick. Watson and Crick, I don't know.
You're asking me who invented the periodic table?
Yes.
And if I don't know, I can just say I don't know? Yes, I do not know.
Was it like Socrates? I don't know.
Whatever happened to predictability?
When did they invent the
Oh, a long time
periodic
ago.
table?
I wouldn't know exactly. I would just say it would have been in the 1940s. Or it could have been earlier than that. I don't know.
A long time ago.
I believe that was, if I remember right, that was 1897.
17th century?
1873.
Name 5 elements of the periodic table.
Nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, and helium.
Frontwards or backwards? Okay.
Any five.
Hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, iron, calcium, magnesium. Then there's all that made up stuff at the end of the periodic table that like goes away like in 0.6 seconds, but they call it an element. I don't think it's real stuff.
Do you want me to?
Yes.
Any 5.
Yes.
Okay. Hydrogen, helium, calcium, iron, and what's the other one that I can think of? Makes up salt. Oh, well, oxygen. We'll just go with that. That doesn't make up salt. I know that.
Yes.
Now you put you on the spot though. Hydrogen and oxygen make water. Iron, no, that's Fe. Sulfur is S or Su? S. And I said hydrogen already, so helium is the other one, and I can talk like chipmunks.
Oh, there's lots of them. There's hydrogen, there's nitrogen, there's oxygen, there's calcium, potassium, sodium, zinc, aluminum I think is on the periodic table.
Sodium, chloride, chromium, magnesium, titanium.
First one, Einsteinium. Yes or no?
Yes.
Americium. Yes or no? Americium. Excuse me.
Yes. I'm gonna put yes.
Siliconium.
Silicon. No. I'm gonna go no with that one.
Okay. And the last one, Trumponium.
No.
That's very unstable. Not
A very
element.
unstable element.
Yeah.
Trombonium is not an element.
What about the other 3?
They are.
I believe americium is, and I think Einsteinium is one of those made up things at the end of the periodic table.
I'll say siliconium would be an element.
Okay.
That's my guess.
Alright. Are any other one of those elements?
They sound made up,
Okay.
so I'm gonna say no.
When you're in a lab, do you think you should eat any part of the lab?
Probably not.
If you want to die, yes. Otherwise, no.
You shouldn't be eating in the lab at all.
Never.
Good.
Even
And
if you're making something that's edible, you don't.
Say when you're not in, I don't know, like when you're trying to eat something or you're doing some kind of cooking experiment?
Well, that would be depend on what you're making. What if you were making ice cream? Would you eat it? I would.
Okay, and last one. Have you heard about the dangers of dihydrogen monoxide?
No.
Dihydrogen monoxide? That's crazy stuff. Di means two, so it's double the hydrogen monoxide. Lethal. Okay, I'm done.
Yes, no. Hydrogen, that's carbon monoxide, not hydrogen monoxide.
Yes. Ah, crap, that's CO2. Okay.
I probably have, but don't recognize it as you said it, so it's probably pretty wicked.
Do you know what dihydrogen monoxide is?
Yeah. Isn't CO2?
Dihydrogen.
Oh, so H2O. That's water.
So you've never heard of dihydrogen monoxide?
No.
Okay.
I've heard of carbon monoxide.
Do you know what dihydrogen monoxide is?
Well, it's when you have two things of hydrogen and then one thing of oxide.
So
Oxygen.
So what does that make? Two hydrogens and oxygen.
That makes water.
We drink dihydrogen monoxide every day.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I'm surprised we're still alive.
H2O, di, 2, hydrogen
Hydrogen monoxide, okay.
monoxide.
It's everywhere. You probably even have some in that bottle. Do you know what dihydrogen monoxide is?
Is it my water?
Yes.
I love water.
Thank you.